In the world of process automation, performance and consistency are critical. Welcome to SUDE Engineering Private Limited, a global company known for valve automation and flow control solutions. Founded in 1989 by Mr. Devdas R. Shetty, a mechanical engineer with a vision to advance industrial engineering, SUDE began with a strong focus on quality manufacturing and engineering innovation. In 2006, Mr. Sunil P. Kurkute, an accomplished electrical engineer, joined the leadership team, bringing new ideas and technical expertise. Together, their leadership helped shape SUDE into a trusted name in sectors such as nuclear, defense, and industrial automation. Over the years, SUDE Engineering has expanded its presence across India, Europe, Russia, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Through continuous improvement and strong partnerships, SUDE has become a preferred supplier for demanding and industrial projects. One of our proud achievements is the successful supply of over 3,000 industrial dampers to the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. At SUDE Engineering, our facilities and offices are strategically located to support manufacturing, engineering, and customer service. Bangalore headquarters, corporate office and main facility located near Kempegowda International Airport. Bangalore factory supports engineering design, manufacturing, and production activities.
Hi, SUDE was formed in the year 1988 in the happening city of India, Bangalore and Pune, with one mission to build world-class automation product that can compete with any big name in the world. We began with valves and over time, step by step, we started vertically integrating into actuators, dampers, and finally complete actuated valves and damper solutions. As we grew our product range, we also grew our customer base. Today, nearly half of our customers are global companies, helping position SUDE has a trusted name in the valve and automation industries. That's why behind automation, there is only one name, SUDE. We have also become a trusted supplier to the nuclear power sectors, where quality, reliability are held to the highest standard, which is incomparable to any one of existing one. Over the years, since its beginning, SUDE has become more than just a company. It has become a legacy built on quality, reliability, and long-term partnership. Looking ahead, our focus remains the same: to keep innovating, to adopt the latest technologies, and to deliver the highest standard of quality to our customers around the world.
Pune factory and office, a modern facility dedicated to valve and damper automation with advanced machining, testing, and assembly systems. Mumbai office, located at Leela Business Park, supporting domestic and international client coordination.
Hi everyone, my name is Nihar Agarwal and I'm working in Forbes Vinca. As a SUDE, as an organization, the most thing we liked is their commitment to the things which they propose. What I can say is the expertise they have. See, if for any problem we want to look up to, if it case of any automation, actuator, damper, we are always rely on SUDE and we will get a solution of this. So that's the most important thing. Another thing is the service. What we can say, we can call them anytime. The person is available and they are available at all times for us. So that's the best part we have. SUDE as a partner. We don't treat as a vendor or a supplier. We treat them as partners. So that's the main thing.
Chennai office, strengthening regional support and service operations. Upcoming 16-acre Parner plant, a major expansion focused on advanced manufacturing, automation systems, and digital testing capabilities. Designing tomorrow, today, innovations drives the engineering work at SUDE. Our facilities combine CNC machining, digital manufacturing systems, and advanced testing laboratories to support product development and production.
As a technical director at SUDE Engineering, I look after design, development, and quality of our product. We are specialized in making dampers and valve as per customer need and application demand. Our young and dedicated team is always ready to take on challenges. Even when there are last minute changes, they respond quickly and work with full energy to meet client requirement on time. Extended team, regular communication, clear forecasting, and timely payment are the basic principles we follow.
The R&D team work on developing efficient automation solutions designed for modern industrial requirements. Using advanced design and simulation tools, ideas are transformed into practical engineering solutions. Manufacturing at SUDE follows structured processes and strict quality control at every stage. From raw material inspection to final assembly and dispatch, every step is monitored carefully. Our product portfolio includes dampers, butterfly, air seal, goggle valve, multi-lower, guillotine, ventilation, channel device, double disc gate valve, diverter and poppet dampers, valves, control, ball, butterfly, knife gate, plug, angle, solenoid, zero bacteria, pinch valves, basic weight, flush bottom valve, automated valves for the process industry, pharma and zero bacteria valve, chloro-alkali valves, automated valve solutions for the paper industry, butterfly valve with non-return valve and the strainer, 3-in-1 water valve, actuators, pneumatic, electric and hydraulic.
Hello, myself Vilas Busane. I am from Esteem Power Equipments, Pune. Recently, we have placed our order for dampers, and we are having very good experience with their marketing team as well as quality team, and we have received good quality products.
Specialized dampers designed specifically for nuclear sector applications. Each product undergoes multiple quality checks including pressure testing, endurance evaluation and leakage testing. Actuators are also tested for torque performance and operational stability using calibrated instruments. Our commitment to international standards is supported by certifications including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 and Silver Certificate. Quality assurance is a core part of SUDE's manufacturing process. Products undergo dimensional inspection, functional testing and leak checks before final dispatch. We also conduct advanced non-destructive testing methods including liquid penetrate testing, positive material identification, ultrasonic testing, hydro testing, radiographic testing. From material selection to final product validation, every step follows strict global standards. SUDE Engineering represents India's manufacturing capability on the global stage. Our products support critical industrial infrastructure both within India and internationally.
The NPCL project was challenging, but it was rewarding also. Our team worked with full dedication and coordination. Thanks to their efforts, we completed this project successfully in time, which was a proud moment for us.
Today, SUDE solutions are operating in industries across multiple continents. Behind every successful project is a dedicated team. At SUDE, our workforce includes engineers, technicians, planners, and management professionals who work together to deliver reliable automation solutions. Through continuous training programs and professional development initiatives, we invest in building skills and strengthening technical expertise. The commitment to people ensures steady growth for both employees and the organization. Our sales and planning division plays an important role in connecting customer requirements with engineering solutions.
Hi, good evening. Myself Prashant from Thermax. I am associated with Thermax since 2008 and I have been working with as a channel partner with SUDE Engineering from 2008. They are mainly supplying us basically the dampers, electrically operated dampers. So technically they are very much confident and pioneer in damper applications. So we have a very good experience with their product and delivery after sales service also. They are supporting us very well.
Sales engineers work closely with clients to understand project needs and provide suitable technical options. The planning team coordinates design, manufacturing and logistics, ensuring projects are completed within scheduled timeline. At SUDE, after sales service is our promise. From consultation and engineering support to installation and after sales service. By adopting modern manufacturing technologies and digital engineering tools, we aim to support the next generation of industrial automation with a strong foundation and clear direction. And SUDE is ready to take on the challenges of the future with decades of experience and a commitment to continuous improvement. We remain a trusted partner in process automation and flow control systems.